Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the 1 hour chart, since this is the intraday video to see what happened and what it might happen in the next hours. So as you can see for Bitcoin, we saw of course higher prices since yesterday night. We said of course we might take the low here as an ABC. Be careful from it. This area, this box, of course, it has transformed it to a very shallow impulse toward the downside. 1 2 3 4 5, probably finishing this this wave as ABC. So we can say that we can have probably still 3 waves up, and this is your 3 waves down. And probably here with this impulse, it still can be, of course, a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is our bullish scenario. Still, of course, a short-term bullish scenario, I would say, because of course we might not take the high since this is a flat and ABC. So we are looking, of course, for a little bit lower. Now for the bearish, it might be as well that we are forming here probably a leading diagonal, which it can be, of course, something like for a wave 1 for your wave 3. Meaning, in case we are still bearish with this scenario where we have 1 2 and then bigger 1 2 here, and now you are in a formation of a leading diagonal probably for another wave 2 and then a 3 4 5 towards the downside. Of course it is a probability still, but still need, of course, a lot to show. I would say let's finish first at the contracting diagonal as a leading diagonal, and then probably wave 2, and then we have to estimate it. Anyway, we have a crossroad first, of course, probably here continuation towards the upside, of course, from this level here. So we might have a crossroad for a wave 2 probably, in case you are looking for a wave 2 here. Let's see a wave 2. I mean, it's a very small one, but we just touched the 0.38, which is a minimum requirement, of course, for a wave 2. Meaning, of course, a wave 2 for 1 2 3 4 and a 5, probably, of course, for a B, and a C. It depends how much higher we dive. If we invalidate this 1 2 here, then okay, we have to forget about the bearish scenario and be completely again going towards bullish. Of course, not directly from here. It might be something much more complicated happening here. So it might be, of course, this is for the next I mean, in case we get this W and then X, and probably we get a triangle as a wave Y for a wave 4. So for a wave 4, which is in the yellow scenario, our wave 4 that we have topped here for the 3, the wave 4 which is here. We can finish in WXY. Your W is zigzag toward the downside. X is another complex structure. It can be, by the way, it can be W and then X. The X is a flat, expanding flat, and then A, B, C, D, E for a triangle. Yep. So possible, of course, very possible. But so far, we want to see what's gonna happen in this crossroad. I mean, it is on the KGT here. It is, of course, very clear that we got a signal for bearish, a strong signal. It is a 500, as expected as well. The higher we go, the more pressure comes for the bearish as well. Probably, if in case that we move a little bit lower, we might, of course, trigger a new bullish signal here as divergence. So if lower price, again, as you can see, the time is getting tiny and tinier right now. And the signals are coming very close. That means, of course, we might see a price decision very soon. In case, of course, we get the bullish signal here without invalidation of this low here. So possibly, of course, to move for higher, guys, for the ABC towards the upside. So we're gonna see, of course, we need to watch this area. I would say lower, probably even perfect fib level for wave 2 is also possible. And after this, of course, it depends how much high this wave C move higher. If we invalidate this 1, 2, that would be good. If we stay in this area, which it can be, of course, between the perfect fib levels for a wave 2, which are here, 0.786, I would say, yeah, very potential to continue towards the downside. We're gonna keep actually those. Here we go. Yeah, so to be watched later on in case we move for higher. That was it for Bitcoin the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.